All right, all right, all right. One more. Let's get her done. Got another tool haul coming at you. This was a Father's Day tool haul. Got a couple items from the wife. One item is the Mayhew two-piece mini pry bar set, made in America. America. Part number is 31092. We'll go ahead and get these things open. Probably no stinking knife. It is the square stock for the shank. They don't feel too bad in the hand. One straight one and one offset one. Straight and curved bars. It is alloy steel. Made in America. So, again, part number is 31092. Mayhew two-piece mini pry bar set. Pretty cool. I've been looking at that pry bar set for a while. And grip lock ties. These right here have rubber on this side, so it helps prevent slippage, and it's got a release so you can reuse your zip tie. So you put it through right here, if I can get it in there, get it in the hole, and then you press this little button right here down, it pulls it right back out. So not a bad design on a grip on a zip tie. Not bad at all. Did come in a package of 40. They are 12 inches in length. Innovated rubber lined zip ties. Enhanced UV and protection. Protects wires, installation. It's got dew point Z-tile nylon, enhanced friction ring strength. Yes, they are made in China. But it's the first time I'm gonna be using these. We'll give these a go. Maybe do some future videos on them whenever I use them, and we'll do some updates. See if they are really as good as they say they are. Time will tell. But that is the Father's Day tool haul video. I know the video's coming out a little late. We just got back to the house and we're able to pick all this stuff up. So, but if you got this far, and y'all would be ever so kind, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. While you're down there, Hulk smash that like button, ring that Liberty bell to turn on all notifications. Share with your friends, no matter what you want to do. But that's all I got for this one. Until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning, and the Raging Cajun will catch you on the next one. Peace out.